In a forest lived Tiku, a noisy woodpecker. He loved to peck trees all day, making a loud tuk-tuk sound.
On the same tree lived Omkar, a silent owl. He sat quietly all day, observing everything with patience.
One day, a dangerous storm approached. But Tiku was too busy making noise to notice the dark clouds.
Tiku! The wise owl saw the danger. He shouted, "Tiku, stop! A storm is coming! Hide quickly!"
Tiku stopped and saw the storm. They both quickly hid inside a tree hollow, safe from the heavy rain.
Tiku realized that while noise is fun, silence helps us see the truth. He thanked the wise owl